Hey everyone, welcome back to our online course enrollment portal tutorial series. In the previous session, we created our registration page. Today, we are moving a step further by creating the login system, which allows the user to access the portal securely after registration. We will start with the front end part, that's our login.html form, and then connect it to the back end using PHP in login.php. Let us start to create. So I will come here, create a new file, login.html. Background color, we can choose any. We'll use this one. Then I'll do padding, 30 pixels. Then I'll come to heading, login to your account. So form action, this is login.php. The data entered using this form will be sent to login.php, and the method is post. I need to create email, password, and the button. We go to our browser and see how this form looks like. Usually type localhost, Course Enrollment Portal, then login.html. We need to create a PHP. We create our PHP, login.php. So this line here displays all errors. Inset changes PHP setting at real time. Then we will come to configuration. Restart session. This one starts a new session or assumes the existing one. If server request method equals to post, ensures the login logic runs only when submitted via post. We will submit email and password. SQL, select all from users where email equals to email. It will select from table users where email is email, the submitted email. After selecting from table user, it will check the email submitted, is it the same? If there is at least one row found, then fetch users information. Then we will come to password verify. If password verify, password user, it compares the entered password with the hashed one stored in database. After verifying the password and sees that the password submitted and the one that is stored are okay, it echoes login successful. Remember, we have the user, admin, and student. So if role equals to admin, admin will go to a page which is add course. So it redirects to add course.php. Else, the user is not admin, it goes to view courses.php. So after putting the credentials that don't match, it will tell you incorrect password. Else, if you put a user that does not exist, it will tell you user not found. So this is our login.html. I'll use this person, Mary. Login. The request was not found in this server. Reason? Here we have said this, that if it compares the person and the email, then based on role, the person is admin. It goes direct to add course. Else, it goes to view courses. But remember, for now, we don't have this part here, but we want to check this one to verify password. We want to only see login successful. Let me comment this all. Login successful. We have seen that we are able to log in. Now, remember, I have commented this part. After we create add course.php and view course.php, whenever we log in as a student, we will go to view courses. And when we log in as admin, we are supposed to go to add course. Login successful. With that, it marks the end of today's session. We have successfully created the login.html and login.php files, connected them to our database, and even added a session handling. This one is the session handling. In our next session, we will move on to creating enrollment file. Also, we will create course.php and viewcourse.php. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.